baby. You like your Gerber? Like your Gerber snacks? Let's do another one. Do it slow, one by one, okay? Just one. Here's one. Grab that one. Just one. Good girl. You're so smart. 6 months. Only 6 months. Snack time. Snack time. Beautiful baby. Beautiful baby. You want another one? You want another one? Okay. Let's get another one, okay? Just one. Just one. There you go. Just one. Just one. That's it. What? It's still there. You didn't eat it. It's still there. Go for it. There you go. Don't let it fall out. Okay, good. Good. Where did it go? Where did it go? Wow. Are you gonna chew it? Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Let's see that cute little mouth you have. Is it in there? No more, huh? You ready for more food? Okay. Here, let's try this. Okay, we're gonna try beech nut pear stage 2 from about 6 months. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't spill anything. Don't spill. Don't spill anything. Up, up, up. You're leaning forward too much. You gotta sit up. Up, up. There you go. Perfect. Don't lean down. Go back. Go back. Okay. Oops. Ah, don't touch your hands. Don't. Now I gotta clean you. Oh, messy. Messy. Here. Hold on. Okay. 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 Here. Just one. And we'll take a break from the spoon. From the spoon. Oops. Grab it. Good girl. Wow, look, it fell. Ready for the last one? Your mommy's home. Look. She's here. You want to buzz her in? Buzz her in. Remember I show you the button? Hold it, just hold it. Yeah, hold it, push it. Okie dokie. Okay. That's it. That's it. There. Hi. Hello. You're back. You're back.